Hello everybody, good day to you and welcome back. This is going to be a short video and it is going to slightly deviate from my normal style of content. I'm not doing this out of malice or shaming anybody or anything like that, but this comment caught my attention and I wanted to do a video reply on it. Actually, a lot of Rage's tools are Harbor Freight. Got the Harbor Freight shorties. Harbor Freight full set with double open ends. Harbor Freight scan tool. These ones are out. More Harbor Freights. That's Harbor Freight. What's this one here? Oh, there's that S. There it is. There's the S. There's some more snap-ons. Got some Duralast from AutoZone. Got those back in the day. Craftsman. I don't know about these. Never use them. They're weeby wobblies. Oh, what else we got here? Oh, look at that. Generic snap-on. That's offshore snap-on. Some Matcos and some more snap-ons. These are Milwaukee's. That's Home Depot level. We've been there already. What do we got in here? Harbor Freight, Harbor Freight, Harbor Freight, Harbor Freight. No, come on, man, you should know better than that. You must be new here. Let's see, those are all Blue Points. Got these in the early 2000s. There's some more Knipex right there, or Knipex, whichever you prefer. Oh, here we go. Got some Home Depot garden shears. What else we got? That's a snap-on. That's a snap-on. That one's Matco something. That one's a snap-on. Oh, this is cool. This is old snap-on from like the 70s. Let's see, these are just generics. Got those at AutoZone back in the day. Let's see, here's some snap-ons. This is all Matco stuff right here. That's old school Matco. Oh, what else we got? Yeah, we ain't gonna worry about that drawer. Don't worry about that one. Oh, this is cute. I got little mini screwdrivers. Also snap-ons. That's a cool little device for putting water inside of tractor tires to add some weight. Hey, there's some snap-ons. Oh, here we go. Got it. You got me. Harbor Freight, Icon brand. But it's okay because it's flanked with some Matcos and some more Blue Point stuff. That makes it more legit. Gotta have high level of hammers. Snap on, snap on. Can't see it, that's a Blue Point. Also snap on, snap on. More Blue Point. That's Matco. Mac. OTC, that's about as generic as I like to get. There's some Sun-X. This is Blue Point. Cornwell. I don't even use these. Old bit driver set. Let's see, here's some Mac stuff. Oh, hang on, we're not done yet. There's some more Blue Points. That says Matco on it. I don't even use that thing. Who made that? That's made actually by Toyota, I think. Let's see, Matco, OEM tools. What else is in here? I don't know who made that. There's more Blue Point. Steelman, brand name. Not Harbor Freight. This is from Harbor Freight though. That piece of junk. Oh, I bought this O-ring set from Harbor Freight. That's where I got that. Found some more snap-on tools. Another one. Some snap-on pry bars. What else we got here? Some more snap-on batteries. Some more snap-on sockets. Oh, this is cool. Check it out. I got a snap-on radio. This whole deal right here is a Bluetooth radio. That's all snap-on. Matco, which is rebranded Streamlight. Streamlight. More Streamlights. I got like 3 or 4 more of those at home. Milwaukee. I don't think there's any Harbor Freight stuff in here. Maybe this wire wheel. Let's see. Snap-on. Blue Point snap-on. That's Vim Tools, V-I-M. These are Torx wrenches. Let's see, this guy, that's GearWrench. What do we got in here? Low profile sockets and a ratchet. Got a duplicate in Snap-on. Just in case those ones are too big, I can use smaller ones. Let's see, LexiVision, Motive Tools, more wobblies. Those are not Harbor Freight. Oh, another Snap-on low profile socket set. Look at that, with a ratchet. Oh, here's something cool, some Sunex. This is my cheapo stuff. These are all 1/2-inch Driveline extension sockets, 12-point. These are for axle yoke straps and things of that nature on the drive shaft. Oh, here's some more Snap-on. Look, extensions, extendo Snap-on. You see it? Focusing. Do the focusing thing. There it is. Snapping on. Put that one back. Here's a GearWrench. This set right here, I don't know who made those. Yeah, that's brand name. What else we got here from Harbor Freight? Ooh, there we go. There's a torque wrench. Snap-on. It's another torque wrench. That's from GearWrench. It's 120 XP tooth, super nice. Oh, hey, you got me, bro. Right between this Snap-on torque wrench and this Precision Instruments torque wrench, I've got a Pittsburgh torque wrench. There's my Harbor Freight. You got me. You totally got me. ATE, Astro, Airlift, OTC, Carlisle, OEM. That's a torch set. What's in here? I forgot about this. Oh yeah, that's right. That's my my insert kit. That's so you can insert threads into a drilled out hole in sheet metal. How about the bottom? What do we got in here? Oh, look at that! Look at that! This is the Harbor Freight Premium Tap and Die set. Yep, definitely got that with a discount code. What's under here? Oh, more tools. What is this? Oh, this is from Harbor Freight. This is a giant, I think it's like a 5-ton, 5-ton gear puller. I bought this to do kingpins on an F650. But hold on, we're not done yet. We got some Snap-on wire strippers, screwdriver. I don't know about that thing. Let's see. Oh, I got that at Costco. Really good jumper box. Let's see what else. That's from Harbor Freight, but that's not mine. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff down here. Matco slide hammer, Sunex slide hammer, I think, or power something. I don't know. It's a slide hammer. What is this? I don't even know what that is. Oh, that's not mine. That's for a programmer. Let's see. We got a Matco steering wheel / master puller kit. Not Harbor Freight. Scan tool box. What else we got? There's some Matco. That's a compression tester. Yep. Power probe. I think I already said that. What else is in here? Oh, ball joint. All the ball joint presses and whatnot, and all the adapters. That's an OTC kit, not Harbor Freight. Let's see. Mighty Vac. Not Harbor Freight. Master Cool Incorporated, not Harbor Freight. This is cool, check it out. It's a hydraulic brake line flaring tool. Super useful when you need to make brake lines. I'm not up in the Great White North, so I don't get to do that very often, but when I need to, I've got the goodies. That's from Harbor Freight, my vise. That's a Harbor Freight vise. Let's see, there's another random set of Snap-on sockets back here. There we go, that's the 27, the big boy. More of it. Matco, Fluke, Snap-on, Blue Point, Matco. These are Harbor Freight. icon. Yep. More Snap-on. Oh, I do have some more Harbor Freight tools. Check it out. Here's some icon sockets. Yeah, so what did we find? Like 4 or 5 icon tools in here? Yeah, I got a few. Here's some Snap-on. There's another one. Anyway, so thought you guys would appreciate my Harbor Freight tool tour. It gets the job done. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Have a great day. Oh yeah, forgot about my radio.